Awesome. The waterfalls flow again, plenty of chi, peace and harmony. And all of Chima is balanced.
Rock showers! What's that you said about peace, harmony, and balance? This way!
Hi, who I am. By that time, you shot too high. Hi, dude.
Hi, guys. Sorry to butt in, but why are you throwing rocks at that tree?
Oh, hi, Laval. Because we're hungry. Too high this time.
Okay, but why attack the tree?
Attack? We're picking apples. But the tree just isn't high enough, or the rocks are not heavy enough, and this thing doesn't work.
Dudes, there are easier ways to pick apples. Just groove on over and feel the tree's good vibrations. You get all the apples you need.
Of course! Come on, bros.
And that's how you... Where did the dudes go?
Dunno. They just left.
Good vibrations. You were right, bro.
Not happy.